The police get away with it and no one's going to answer to it. I've tried to do the right thing. Yeah, mate, I was a debt collector and I took out people that bashed women and pedophiles. Okay? I beat up the bullies. Okay? But when my son was born, I promised I'd never ever use violence and all that again. And I'm world class. I trained with Laura Burns before she won the Olympics as a sparring partner. You know, I'm sorry, this is hard because I've got brain damage. I've got a photographic memory, right? But my short-term memory and all that's because when he left that 1 centimetre ball with their brain matter in my head, a truck pulled out in front of me in 2013 on the 10th, a couple of days before my birthday, right? And it just bounced and scarred. All the memories are there. It's just a bit hard to get out because I can't control it because I'm refused medication. I'm refused any medical treatment whatsoever. All I get is abuse, and when they find out that I actually have some evidence, right, they illegally come and put me in a mental institution for no reason and say I'm a drug addict or whatever, put me in there, even though that's nowhere in mental health law, and then they steal everything I own to try and get the evidence. They got no chance. I've got more evidence. I've got 2 terabytes here. It's enough to fill your whole office and take down every police officer in WA. Look.
The district prosecutor in WA, they want to just have records of where the witnesses are at. So are you alright with them giving you a phone call just so they can have a chat to see whether you give evidence via video link somewhere?
I'm not gonna do shit until I get a cent, until I get paid for it, mate. Okay?
You only get that when...
Nah. Hey, I'm not doing it again because corrupt cops got paid and hid the evidence and stuffed it up and everything. Right? I'm not doing any more work. I've taken down enough people in WA. I took down a whole chapter. Naval base chapter, rebels.
Yep.
Right?
Who was that through?
Craig White. Okay?
I know Craig.
Yeah? Yeah, well, I remember everything. And yeah, we'll talk to Andrew Ramsden then. Okay?
Andrew Ramsden?
Ramsden. Yeah. And until I get one piece of justice, you can all kiss my ass. Right?
And that's the thing is you might get some justice out of
Nah, mate, I got 16 grand worth of fines in WA, okay, because I had 5 cars stolen and the police refused to take the reports. I've got it videoed, right? I get picked up, I won't pay insurance for a car anymore. Yeah, I was in car accidents. I've been in 2, right? First one killed me because I was going into the Navy as a qualified engineer. And I got $80,000 for it. Yeah, and I'm called delusional, I'm bashed and drugged by police, and it's not just Western Australia. I'm taking down South Australia, Queensland as well. It's what I've been doing for, ever since they stole my son. Now, I try to do the right thing, and I want to be good. I want my son to not grow up around all that shit, and now he's in one of the worst towns in Australia, raised by a woman. When I told her that her nephew raped her daughter at 11 years old, it's in the past, leave it alone. Last time I saw my son, he says, "Oh, Jason's such a good guy." I said, "You stay away from him, mate. You don't go anywhere near him. He's not a good person." Right? Because I'm watched, and I've got a working with children's card, I raised a disabled daughter for 2 years, and I've got to be watched with welfare. Because they're child murderers and abusers. A friend of mine died. She committed suicide because they ran me out of town because I was helping her and her son. And you can contact the primary school, what do they call the word, the head guy, principal. This 10-year-old was going to jump off the roof, mate. Poor kid had ADHD. Right, and his dad was a dog. You know? And his mum was that ill, and she'd been on drugs from doctors, like morphine and all that. She OD'd. He went to jump off the roof at the primary school and kill himself because of the abuse of his dad. And, you know, she OD'd in my house. And they came and, you know, I took the charges. That's why I've got charges of growing marijuana on my thing for her. And then welfare run me out of town and she fucking hang herself, mate. You know, I had $100,000 bus stolen in Mandurah, and police refused to take to start with, and then I walked in there with a video camera. Right, and they still refused to do anything about it. And my mate found out that I knew it was him, because all I'd done was walk across the road and spoke to the neighbour. You know, I've still got the key sitting here in the drawer of the bus. The funniest thing is, I was only just talking about this a couple of days ago. And police refused to do anything. And, I mean, they didn't have enough fuel to get out of town. They would have had to go to a petrol station. It was only gone 2 or 3 days. You know, I ring up, my BMW, my race bike and everything was all stolen. I was supposed to go to court on October 19th in 2016, but because I was locked in jail, they wouldn't do anything. They wouldn't do anything. That's why I'm saying I'll do 2 years if I come back there. Yeah, you don't think I want to be there? My boy's there. My only reason for breathing. He's 16 the other day, you know, and he thinks I'm a monster. Because of the lies.
I don't want to be rude, man.
Yeah, hey, look, mate, I'll help you. I'll help you, right? When I get treated like a human, and I get human rights, I'll give you every cent. And it's already documented that I've got a photographic memory by Dr. Lance Risby, the ex-police psychiatrist.
Okay.
Alright, and my IQ was 160 in 1990. Alright. Okay. I won't, because of the last 3 years abuse, right, it's hard for me to recall it, and as you can see, I can't keep on track, but that is because I am refused Valium, okay, and I'm in level 10 pain, right, okay. If I've got my medication, I can be clearer. Mate, I'll give you more evidence and solve more crime. Mate, I'll tell you what, right? You can even just line me up with a doctor to get medication as my legal right as any person, right? I will make you the most famous police officer in Australia and cut crime by at least 25% within a year or 2. And that's not me being delusional, because if I'm delusional, why am I saving hundreds of lives at the moment with an app that I invented that I got bashed and drugged for? Yeah, and I posted it on my Facebook. I can't find this guy in Sydney. You know, all he's got's a LinkedIn address, not even an email address.
Right, Vince. I gotta go going because I've got other work to do. But I'll keep in touch with you, right?
Yeah. Well, mate, if I don't answer it, I mean, usually I wouldn't have called you back. I would have just told you, because what happened to me, you know, Brianna and Chev dead, man. You know, man, I was an older boy. I've lost fucking everything. You know?
I gotta go, Vince.
Okay. Yeah, but you haven't said, you've obviously got my number now. But you've had it anyway, because I've always got the other number, because I keep it for my son. But, tell you what, just even arrest Beth Aubrey. I mean, she's going around killing kids. So, yeah, I mean, that'd be more important than anything else that I believe, but yeah. Hey, look, mate, I'm here to try and do the right thing. But, yeah.
Okay, man.
Okay. No problem. Bye.
Gotcha, bye.
Now, question you gotta ask yourself, is that fucking set up or not? Any little bit too much information. Or did he? Is there hope that my son could be a good cop? Only if I clean the cops up. I'll do it. People are going to go though. I don't really care about the money, but what the fuck do you do, eh? Yeah, truthfully, yeah, I've been on terrorist watch with since Andrew Ramsden fucking come and talk to me all around before that. All because I have evidence on the criminal activity of government. And the, murder of my daughter and shit like that. But, as the news reported the other day, more deaths come from overdoses of prescribed medications than drugs and car accidents combined, right? The things they don't tell you, right? When they give you stats for car accidents and all that, they don't say, well, 3 more people died in car accidents. It's because people are out there speeding and drunk driving and doing drugs and driving, than last year. They don't tell you that 347,000 more people got their licence. It's they give you a number of how many people died, not a percentage of how many people are on the road. They fucking lie their ass off, and hopefully I haven't fucking thrown it out, because back then I spoke about Dr. Lance Risby, and he's the one that gave me this information. It's not just the police. I mean, Christian Porter is now the head of fucking the law in Australia. And Scott Morrison, and they are fucking nothing but criminals. Alright, I'm just taking the plastic off this so I can show you. I'm sick and tired. I mean, Australia used to be good with the diggers. If someone broken down on the side of the road, you'd pull over, you'd stop, you'd help them. You would just keep it on. But and politicians are supposed to be there to help people. That's what politics should be about. Otherwise, but Australia, this is not fucking politics. We're in fucking dictatorship, and it's fucking police. Fucking terrorists who never pay for a crime, right? This guy here, right? 12 weeks later, and fuck you advertising on smoke, you can go get fucked, right? Because they can solve cancer, it's fucking easy. It's fuck, man, most of it is. The problem is, pharmaceutical companies pay 70% of the re-election costs for every different party there is. They back their horses all the way. Huh? Battery's about to go flat. Thanks fuck it lasted this long, right? His fucking real name was Michael. Never smoked a fucking day in his life. Died of AIDS. Fraud. fraud. Terrorism. That's what this is, terrorism. It's lies. So fucking the Minister for fucking Health can see someone for an hour in Queensland, get the planes paid for, the fucking accommodation, food, fucking taxis, everything, and buy $800,000 apartment, retires on fucking $7,000 a fucking week for the rest of her life, and still gets to work. Stealing as a servant. She should have had all her assets seized. And why the fuck do politicians get more superannuation than us? And why the fuck was government superannuation left out of the Royal Commission? I proved that fucking MetLife lied at the commission. Nothing gets done to them. ASICs don't do shit. They've arrested one person in fucking 10 years. Yeah? My cousin runs the fucking biggest mining magazine in fucking Australia. Doing inside a trainers road 30 years with my corrupt mother, who fucking laundered money. I know all the details, given it to ASICs, they do shit because there's drop the stock market. Well, fuck your stock market, fuck your money. Yes, I do know how to make a bomb. Yes, I do know how to make it for under $100 that'd take out half of the capital city from the other side of the road 2 years after I'm not gone, after I'm not even there. Without a fucking problem. With fucking one arm tied behind my fucking back. But I despise violence, I hate it. But it looks like it's the only solution. But saying that, I get arrested and go to jail. So, what the fuck do you do? 15 years of trying to be a dad. You know? When they gave me that IQ test, fuck you, and top 1% of the fucking Australia, if not the world, you can be a doctor, a lawyer, an accountant, do whatever you want. I just wanted to help people like my grandmother taught me. And my grandparents. My grandfather was Father Christmas for fucking 30 years. He took his Christmas day off, going and giving lollies out to fucking kids in the poorest fucking place, Kwinana. You know? Him and my uncle Rod Panardi, and Rod's the only one left. Medina Automotive, best mechanic there is, mate. Taught me about real cars, Holdens. You know? I'm gonna go fucking scrounge cigarettes off the fucking ground. My last job was $400,000 a year for talking on the phone because of my knowledge of law. With the only insurance company in Australia that is any good. They the rest just all bend you over and fuck you. You ever want to get insurance, go to SGIO. Yeah. Hey look, yeah they can be pricks, but they follow the law and they're the only ones that do.